Hello everyone. In my previous video I have taught you NCERT in text question lecture 1 and 2. Now I am going to teach you NCERT back exercise question that are based on reflection. It's lecture number 3. So let's start today's video. First question is, there are 4 options. Out of the 4 we have to find out the material which cannot be used to make a lens. First is water, second one is glass, third one is plastic, and at last fourth one option is clay. We have to tell out of these 4 which one cannot be used to make a lens. The first property of lens is it must be transparent. It must be transparent so as to allow the light to pass. It means light can be passed through a medium only when it is transparent, so as to allow the light to pass. As water is a transparent, so it can be used. Similarly, glass, we have learned it is a transparent medium, so it can be used to make a lens. Plastic is a transparent medium, but clay, which is a type of soil, that is not a transparent, so answer is clay. Okay, so clay cannot be used. Clay cannot be used to make a lens. Why? What will be the reason? As clay is not a transparent medium. Next is our question number 3. Because we are dealing with refraction only, we have already done our reflection section. So question number 3 is, where should the object be placed in case of a convex lens to get a real image of the size of object? It means lens is convex lens. What is the requirement? To form real image same size as that of object. Size same as object. As I have told you, in convex lens there are total 6 possible cases, but when we want that it should produce the image whose size is same as that of the object, for such condition object must be placed at 2f. Placed at 2f, twice of focal length. Okay, so which option is correct? Second option is correct. Now let's start question number 4. In question number 4, there is a spherical mirror and a spherical lens, each of focal length minus 15 centimeter. It means spherical mirror, focal length is minus 15, spherical lens, thin spherical lens, that's also focal length same minus 15 centimeter. We have to tell the mirror and lens what type it is. As focal length is negative in both of the cases, And negative focal length is for which lens? Concave lens. And for which mirror? Concave mirror. It means concave, it is both. It is concave mirror and this one is our concave lens. Why? What is the reason? Because F is negative for both concave lens and concave mirror. That's why option is first is both convex, wrong. Both concave, wrong. The mirror is concave and lens is convex, it's also wrong. So option number 1, that is both are concave, it is the correct one because both are concave. Next is our question number 5. No matter how far you stand from a spherical mirror, your image appears erect. It means there is a spherical mirror in which image is always erect. It means at any position of object, image is always erect. Now, the mirror is likely to be plane mirror, concave mirror, convex mirror. What type of mirror it is? First option is plane mirror. Second option is concave mirror. Third option is convex mirror. Fourth option is convex and plane mirror. As we know, in our daily life we usually use प्लेन मिरर जो हम स्कूल जाते वक्त अपने आप को रेडी हुए या नहीं हुए उसको देखने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. उसमें हम कहीं भी खड़े हों हमारा हेड अप होता है. व्हाट डज इट मीन? द इमेज इज ऑलवेज इरेक्ट. बट द क्वेश्चन इज बीइंग आस्क्ड फॉर spherical mirror. Plane mirror is not a spherical mirror, so it is not a correct option. In concave, out of 6 options, only 1 option is there in which image is erect. So it is not the exact answer because as per the question हम अपने ऑब्जेक्ट को कहीं पर भी लोकेट करें हमारी इमेज हमेशा सीधी बनती है, तो ये भी करेक्ट ऑप्शन नहीं है. कन्वेक्स, इट इज़ द करेक्ट वन बिकॉज इन कन्वेक्स मिरर हम कहीं पर भी अपने ऑब्जेक्ट को लोकेट करते हैं, हमारा जो इमेज है वो हमेशा कैसी आती है? वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट एंड डिमिनिश्ड. सो दिस इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Question number 6 is that there are 2 lenses. First lens is convex lens or concave lens. Option is 50 centimeter or 5 centimeter. We have to use which out of the given 4 for reading a dictionary. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम डिक्शनरी की बात करें जहाँ पर अल्फ़ाबेट्स, लेटर्स या डिजिट्स जो भी रिटन है वो बहुत स्मॉल हैं, उसमें हमें क्या करना है? उसको मैग्नीफाई करना है. मैग्नीफाई का मीनिंग एनलार्ज करना है, तो साइज़ को बड़ा करना है. उसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? हमारे पास 4 ऑप्शन है. कन्वेक्स लेंस यूज़ करेंगे और कनकेव लेंस यूज़ करेंगे ऑफ गिवन फोकल लेंथ. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है कन्वेक्स लेंस ऑफ 50 सेंटीमीटर. सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज कनकेव लेंस ऑफ फोकल लेंथ 50 सेंटीमीटर. द थर्ड ऑप्शन इज कन्वेक्स लेंस ऑफ फोकल लेंथ 5 सेंटीमीटर. एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज कनकेव लेंस ऑफ फोकल लेंथ 5 सेंटीमीटर. तो स्टूडेंट्स, हमें पता है कि अगर हम कनकेव लेंस यूज़ करते हैं तो कनकेव लेंस में तो इमेज हमेशा क्या होती है? डिमिनिश्ड. स्मॉल हो जाती है। बट हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट ये है कि हम जो स्मॉल लेटर्स हैं डिक्शनरी के उसको रीड करना चाहते हैं, यानी उसके साइज़ को बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, तो हम कनकेव लेंस यूज़ नहीं कर रहे। इट मीन्स दिस कैन नॉट बी यूज, दिस कैन नॉट बी यूज। ओके, नाउ व्हाट अबाउट कन्वेक्स लेंस? अब कन्वेक्स लेंस वी आर हैविंग टू ऑप्शन 50 सेंटीमीटर एंड 5 सेंटीमीटर. Which one is to be used? As we know, power to converge is inversely proportional to focal length. The focal length smaller, more will be the power. More the focal length, less the power. तो हम ज़्यादा पावर की रिक्वायरमेंट है। पावर कब लार्ज होगी? जब फोकल लेंथ स्मॉल होगी, देन पावर विल बी लार्ज. सो विच ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट? वी आर यूजिंग कन्वेक्स लेंस. ओके, बट विच इज 5 centimeter, because small the focal length, more will be the power. So we are going to use convex lens of focal length 5 centimeter. So these were question number 6. Up to 6 we have done. In next video I will teach you the remaining numerical section which are very important regarding your exams. So be with me in next video. Till then, goodbye.